To all the pen sinners watching, please, for the love of the circle god, get better rotations. Okay, but what does this mean? What do you think the number one goal of penciling is? If we strip down penciling at its basics, the only goal you should have is to not just move it back and forth, because arguably speaking, that is not penciling. The most fundamental goal in penciling is to make a circle. When looking at your penciling, the path of the pen should follow that of a circle. No ovals, stars, or figure eights. Please just make a circle. One of the main parts of having perfect execution is the circle of the pen makes. All difficulty is basically completely removed in many tricks if it is not performed in a circular motion. Take the moonwalk inverse twisted sonic for example. The trick in question is supposed to be spinning clockwise. Clockwise. What does that remind you of? Clockwise. 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 Clock. That means the direction of the hand spins in a clock. And what shape is a clock? Oh yeah, that's right, it's a rectangle. Wait, what? No, I mean the clock that actually spins. Oh yeah, it's a circle. See? Not a slight oval, not a star, it's a perfect circle. Now do the same thing with the inverse twisted sonic when performing it. Let it spin clockwise in a perfect circle. This is not a circle. When it spins this poorly, you can't even tell if it's spinning the other way or not. Another thing with this trick, and many others, that doesn't have to do so much with rotations is the hand position. A moonwalk inverse twisted sonic is supposed to be performed palm up, not palm side or palm down, palm up, meaning your hand must be aiming upwards. Many people turn their hand when performing the moonwalk inverse twisted sonic, which makes it almost 10 times easier. Keep your hand pointed forwards at all times. The moonwalk inverse twisted sonic is supposed to be a finger movement trick, not your whole hand. In fact, it's possible to perform the trick without your hand moving at all. Don't believe me? Watch this. This is the kind of execution you should aim for in most technical endeavors. Circular rotations and little hand motion. That is all I ask. Don't make it more complicated than it is, and actually put it into practice. If you like this kind of video, let me know and feel free to check out my other videos too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.